Hello, everyone, and welcome back to SR English Conversation Channel.
We're so happy you're here.
Whether you're learning English for work,
Travel,
school,
or because you want to understand movies without subtitles.
this podcast will help you become more confident.
And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe.
We upload English practice conversations regularly.
Okay, Emily, are you ready?
Always.
Are the viewers ready?
I hope so.
Let's start with one of the most important daily situations.
Scene 1. Meeting someone for the first time. Imagine you're meeting someone new.
This already sounds stressful.
Don't worry, let's keep it simple.
Conversation.
Hi, my name is Emily. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Emily. I'm Paul. Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. What about you?
I'm from the United States.
That's cool.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Nice. What are you studying?
I'm studying business.
Sounds interesting.
Explanation. See? That wasn't scary at all.
Exactly. Most conversations start with simple questions.
People don't usually ask, "Can you explain quantum physics?"
Not at the supermarket.
Thank goodness.
Repeat after me. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you.
Great.
Where are you from? Scene 2. At a coffee shop.
Ah, yes, my favorite place.
Because of the coffee?
Because coffee understands me.
Let's practice ordering.
Conversation.
Good morning. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I have a cappuccino, please?
Sure. Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Would you like anything to eat?
Yes, I'd like a chocolate muffin.
Anything else?
That's all, thank you.
Your total is $8.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Vocabulary practice.
Notice these useful phrases. Can I have?
Very common.
I'd like.
Also very common.
That's all, thank you.
Perfect when you're finished ordering.
Funny moment. Have you ever ordered something incorrectly?
Once I wanted iced coffee.
What happened?
I accidentally ordered 4 coffees.
4?
The cashier looked impressed.
Did you drink all of them?
I saw colors that day.
Repeat practice. Repeat after me. Can I have a coffee, please? I'd like a muffin. That's all, thank you. Fantastic.
Confidence tip.
Here's something important. Native speakers make mistakes too.
All the time.
Sometimes people think fluent speakers never make mistakes.
That's completely false.
Fluent speakers make mistakes and keep talking.
That's the secret. Not perfection. Communication.
Scene 3. Talking about your daily routine. This is one of the most useful topics.
Because everybody has a daily routine.
Exactly.
Conversation.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes. But honestly, I usually think about exercising.
Thinking doesn't count.
My brain exercises.
Nice try. What do you do after breakfast?
I go to work.
How do you get there?
I take the bus.
What time do you come home?
Usually around 6 in the evening.
And what do you do at night?
I watch videos, read books, and sometimes study English.
Good answer.
Useful expressions.
Listen carefully. I usually.
Very useful.
Sometimes.
Another important word.
After that.
Great for telling stories.
Speaking practice. Now your turn. Say, I usually wake up at. In the evening, I.
Excellent work. Motivation moment.
If speaking English feels difficult today, that's okay.
Every fluent speaker was once a beginner.
Every confident speaker once felt nervous.
Progress comes from practice.
Not from waiting until you're perfect.
Because perfect never arrives.
But improvement does.
Teaser for next section. Coming up, we're going to practice one of the most important real-life situations.
Talking on the phone in English.
And trust me,
Even native speakers sometimes hate phone calls.
stay with us. The next conversation might save you from an awkward phone call someday.
Scene 4. Talking on the phone.
Uh-oh.
I get nervous when I speak English on the phone.
You're not alone.
Really?
Absolutely. Many English learners feel confident face-to-face, but phone conversations can feel harder.
Because you can't see the other person's face.
Exactly.
No smiles.
No body language?
No clues.
But don't worry. Let's practice.
Phone conversation.
Hello?
Hi, Emily. This is Paul.
Hi, Paul. How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. How are you?
I'm great. What's up?
I'm calling to ask about tomorrow's meeting.
Sure. What would you like to know?
What time does it start?
It starts at 10 o'clock.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. See you tomorrow.
See you. Bye.
Bye.
Useful phone phrases.
Let's learn some useful phrases. This is Paul.
Simple and professional.
I'm calling to ask.
Very useful.
What would you like to know?
Great question.
Repeat after me. Repeat after me. This is Paul. I'm calling to ask. See you tomorrow.
Amazing. Funny story. Have you ever had an embarrassing phone call?
Once. Tell us.
Someone called me. I thought it was my friend, so I answered, "Hey, buddy."
And?
It was my dentist.
Oh no.
The silence was painful.
Scene 5. Shopping in English. Now, let's go shopping.
Hopefully not with my wallet.
We'll only spend imaginary money.
Perfect.
Conversation. Excuse me, can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a jacket.
What size do you need?
Medium.
How about this one?
I like it. How much is it?
It's $40.
Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting room is over there.
Thank you.
Useful expressions. I'm looking for.
A very important phrase.
How much is it?
You'll use this everywhere.
Can I try it on?
Perfect for clothing stores.
Practice time. Repeat after me. I'm looking for a jacket. How much is it? Can I try it on?
Excellent pronunciation.
Mini conversation practice. I'll ask, you answer. What are you looking for? How much is it? Do you like it?
Great job. You're speaking more English than you realize.
Encouragement moment. Many learners worry about their accent.
I used to worry about that too.
Remember this. People care more about understanding you than hearing a perfect accent.
Communication first, perfection later.
Exactly. Scene 6. Talking about hobbies.
This is one of my favorite topics
Why?
because everyone loves talking about things they enjoy.
Conversation. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books. What about you?
I love traveling.
That's exciting. What's your favorite place?
I really enjoyed visiting Italy.
Nice. I also enjoy watching movies.
What kind of movies?
Comedy movies. I love laughing.
Who doesn't?
Vocabulary practice.
Notice these phrases. I enjoy.
Very natural.
I love.
Strong and common.
My favorite.
Everyone uses this.
Repeat practice. Repeat after me. I enjoy reading books. I love traveling. My favorite movie is. Fantastic. Quick challenge. Answer these questions aloud. What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite food?
Don't skip the pauses. That's where learning happens.
Scene 7. Making plans with friends. Let's imagine we're friends.
We are friends.
Good point. Let's make weekend plans.
Conversation.
Are you free this Saturday?
I think so. Why?
Would you like to go to the park?
Sure. What time?
How about 3 o'clock?
That works for me.
Great. See you then.
Looking forward to it.
Important phrases. Are you free?
Very common.
Would you like to?
Polite and friendly.
That works for me.
Native speakers use this often.
Repeat after me. Repeat. Are you free this Saturday? Would you like to go? That works for me.
Excellent.
Humor break. Do you ever make plans and then regret them?
Every time I agree to wake up early.
Really?
At night, I'm ambitious. In the morning, I'm realistic.
I understand that completely.
Listening and speaking drill.
Let's do a quick speaking drill. I'll say a sentence. You repeat. Ready?
Let's go.
I'm happy to be here. English is becoming easier. I can improve every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. That last one is important. Very important. Mistakes are part of learning.
Short story for learners.
Let me tell you a short story. A student once told me, "Emily, I'm waiting until my English is perfect before I speak."
That sounds dangerous.
I asked, "How will your English become perfect if you never speak?"
Good question.
The student laughed, then started practicing every day. A few months later, the improvement was incredible.
Because practice creates confidence.
Exactly. Confidence doesn't come before speaking, it comes from speaking.
Teaser for part 3. We've practiced introductions,
Phone calls,
shopping,
hobbies.
and making plans,
But in the next section, we'll practice even more useful conversations.
including travel English,
Restaurant English,
restaurant conversations.
and powerful fluency exercises.
So keep listening. The best practice is still ahead.
Welcome back, everyone.
And congratulations,
Why congratulations?
because you've already practiced a lot of English today.
That's true,
Many people watch English videos.
but not everyone speaks along.
If you're repeating the sentences with us, you're doing something powerful.
You're training your speaking muscles.
And trust me, your future self will thank you.
Scene 8. At a restaurant. Let's imagine you're at a restaurant.
My favorite English classroom.
Because of the food?
Obviously.
Conversation. Good evening. Welcome. How many people are in your party?
Just one.
Right this way. Here's your table.
Thank you.
Would you like to see the menu?
Yes, please.
Are you ready to order?
I think so. I'd like the chicken sandwich.
And what would you like to drink?
I'd like a glass of water.
Excellent choice.
Thank you.
Useful restaurant phrases. Listen carefully. I'd like.
Very useful.
Are you ready to order?
You'll hear this often.
What would you like to drink?
Another common question.
Speaking practice. Repeat after me. I'd like a sandwich. I'd like some water. Are you ready to order? Excellent. Welcome back, everyone.
And congratulations,
Why congratulations?
because you've already practiced a lot of English today.
That's true,
Many people watch English videos.
but not everyone speaks along.
If you're repeating the sentences with us, you're doing something powerful.
You're training your speaking muscles.
And trust me, your future self will thank you.
Scene 8. At a restaurant. Let's imagine you're at a restaurant.
My favorite English classroom.
Because of the food?
Obviously.
Conversation. Good evening. Welcome. How many people are in your party?
Just one.
Right this way. Here is your table.
Thank you.
Would you like to see the menu?
Yes, please.
Are you ready to order?
I think so. I'd like the chicken sandwich.
And what would you like to drink?
I'd like a glass of water.
Excellent choice.
Thank you.
Useful restaurant phrases. Listen carefully. I'd like.
Very useful.
Are you ready to order?
You'll hear this often.
What would you like to drink? Another common question. Speaking practice. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. I'd like a sandwich. I'd like some water. Amazing work. Quick challenge. Imagine you're in a new city. Answer aloud. What place are you looking for? Are you ready to order? A hotel? A bank? A restaurant?